Namaste. Today we are going to show you about mercerized ikat cotton in this video. This sari is having zigzag designs on dark navy blue and ash color with the border of green and tomato red. The pallu is olive green with light turmeric color lines. The blouse is contrast in color with olive green color and slight border of green and tomato red. It is very light in weight, easy to carry and easy to wear sari. Our second sari is again mercerized ikat cotton sari with the pallu made of peacock green and navy blue lines. The blouse is also in the contrast color of peacock green with fluorescent yellow and light pink lines on the border. As shown, the body is having purely ikat prints all over with a border of fluorescent yellow and light pink. A very different print with a very grand look. This is also very easy to wear, lightweight and a perfect sari for the coming summers. Our third sari is again mercerized ikat cotton sari with the unique color combination of jambal, ash grey and light chandan color pallu with a contrast chandan color blouse, peacock blue and slight pink border on the entire sari as well as on the blouse area. The sari is having zigzag ikat pattern all over the body with the border as mentioned before peacock blue and slide. It's a beautiful sari with its unique color combination and stands out. This is our fourth sari with mercerized ikat cotton. The pallu, as you can see, is proper mehndi green with maroon lines all over. The body is having zigzag lines of turmeric, mehndi green, dark green and light pink colors with ikat work. The border is having jari weave as well on this particular sari. This sari is an exclusive piece as it has so many different color combinations with the blouse of dark grey and zari border running. It's the last mercerized ikat cotton sari but the best one of our collection. The second portion of this video is mercerized cotton sari but with special brocade blouse. This is a plain sari with Rani pink, border is of green and turmeric on either side. The blouse piece is one of the very special brocade work done all over. Above is the pallu. Its body is completely plain in color with Rani pink and green and turmeric border as mentioned before. The pallu has a very beautiful pattern all over. This is the second sari in mercerized cotton with brocade blouse. This sari is also very different with patterns on the pallu and the beautiful brocade blouse with Rani pink weave work on denim blue base. The body is fully plain with borders of dark blue and matte light pink on the either sides of the border. These mercerized cotton saris are having a simple, sober but still special look when draped upon. Thank you everyone for watching our video. Do catch up on our next ones coming soon. Take care. See you soon.